Hi friends! Today I'm going to show you my meditation tea recipe I've been wanting to share with you. If you know me, you know I love to drink and share tea, and this tea recipe is specifically for calming the nervous system. It's very helpful for reducing nervousness and stress in the body. So it doesn't make you drowsy, so this is really good tea to drink right before a meditation practice because it gives you a wakeful relaxation feeling. So you can drink it right before a practice for sound meditation. It'll help you feel grounded and calm. So here are the ingredients we're going to put in the tea. The oat tops are the main herb in the medicinal herb that's in this tea. Oat tops are milky oats, they call them also sometimes. These are super relaxing, but they're also healing for the nervous system specifically. So if you're feeling overworked, these are really great. Mentally exhausted or overly stressed, drink these oat tops to help repair your nervous system. So we have about 2 tablespoons of the oat tops, a cinnamon stick, and about 11 cloves. That's also, how much cloves is that? It's a half a teaspoon of cloves, or 11 cloves. Here's the cinnamon. You can put a 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon and then 2 pinches of cardamon. I mix these together here. And then about this much ginger. So the ginger, it makes it very spicy. So if you want it more spicy, then I would add more ginger, or less if you want it less spicy. We're going to use 2.5 cups of spring water and then 1.5 cups of almond milk. If you get the sweetened almond milk, then your tea will have a light sweetness, which is really nice. Okay, so now I'm going to start boiling the 2.5 cups of water. First I'm going to add the ginger. So I chop these ginger into small pieces, and then I'm going to add these spices and the clove and cinnamon stick. This is gonna come to a boil. We're gonna want this to boil for about 7 minutes, and then we'll come back to this. Now that the water is boiled for about 5 or 7 minutes, you're gonna add the almond milk, and you're gonna want this mixture to boil also for another 5 or 7 minutes. Okay, so now it's done boiling, and then we're gonna turn the heat off and then add the oat tops to the mixture. So I'm adding the oat tops just like this, and you're gonna let it steep. You can let it steep for a while, actually, even like 10 to 12 to 15 minutes, and you want to cover it. So this mixture, you can do really just adjust it as you'd like. If it's too spicy, remembering to add more milk or less ginger. Now the tea is ready, I'm just gonna pour it into my cup, and I'm gonna use a little strainer, or you can use a cheesecloth. You don't have to strain it, but I will strain it with this. This tea tastes a little bit like a chai, so it is like a decaffeinated chai, and the almond milk makes it really nice and creamy and very warming and soothing. Okay, now it's time to enjoy your tea. I'm gonna enjoy mine with my mom. Hey!